Hello, my dear students. In previous classes, we have discussed about the characteristics and basic terminologies of partnership. And today, I am going to tell you about the rules and regulations related to partnership deed. So, in previous lectures, if you listen properly, then I told you that to make the partnership deed is optional. It's not compulsory to make a partnership deed. It means एग्रीमेंट बनाना जरूरी नहीं है, ऑप्शनल है. आप चाहें तो बनाएं, चाहें तो न बनाएं. सो इफ यू आर मेकिंग एनी एग्रीमेंट, देन योर बिजनेस विल बी ऑपरेटेड अकॉर्डिंग टू योर एग्रीमेंट. इफ देयर इज नो एग्रीमेंट, then you have to follow some rules and regulation issued by Indian Partnership Act 1932. So in today's lecture you have to understand only what are such rules and regulations. So such rules and regulations are explained by me on the board. So see here, this is the fifth lecture. This I have also told you previously. We know that making a deed means partnership deed, a written agreement. We know that making a deed is not compulsory. It's up to partners whether they want to make partnership, whether they do not want to make partnership deed. If they are not making any partnership, then if there is not partnership deed, so if there is no deed, then following provisions means rules, following provisions of Partnership Act 1932 will be applied. It means if there is no agreement among the partners, then following rules will be applied on the partnership. What are the rules? Number 1, profit sharing ratio. Yes, there is business, then there would be either there would be profit or there would be loss. So if there is profit or loss, then the first problem is how to distribute the profit. So each partner should make the agreement that how the profit or loss will be shared. If there is no such agreement, then profit sharing ratio will be equal. Doesn't matter that how much capital partners introduce. Suppose I introduce 10 lakh rupees and one of our other partner introduced 2 lakh rupees. My capital is more than that one. After that, profit sharing ratio will be equal if there is no deed. Then number 2, interest on capital and interest on drawing. If I invested capital, then I have right to take interest, and if I withdraw some money from the business, that business has right to take interest from me only if there is partnership deed. Suppose there is no deed, हमने कोई एग्रीमेंट नहीं किया है इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल एंड इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग को लेकर, तो फिर ये प्रोविजन है इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल एंड इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग. नो मीन्स no interest on capital will be allowed, no interest on drawing will be taken. It means no. Remuneration, in previous video I have told you that remuneration means salary, bonus, commission, etc. given to partner. Partner is the original owner of business. If you are the owner of business, then you have only right to take the profit. Suppose I am the partner of firm and I want to take salary, then there must be an agreement about this. If there is no agreement, then no remuneration, मतलब no salary, no bonus, no commission. Remuneration to partner equals to no, मतलब ना तो किसी पार्टनर को कोई सैलरी दी जाएगी, ना बोनस दिया जाएगा, ना ही कमीशन दिया जाएगा. Interest on loan to the partner equals to 6% per annum. If partner has given any loan to the firm or taken any loan from the firm, then interest will be charged 6%. 6% per annum. Per annum means annually. Interest 6% will be given for 4 years. Every partner is entitled to take part in the firm's business. If there is no agreement, then suppose there are 4 partners, then 3 partners cannot force the 4th one that you cannot take part. 3 पार्टनर्स को ये राइट नहीं कि वो चौथे वाले को ये बोले कि आप बिजनेस में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर सकते हो अपने घर पर बैठे. दे डोंट हैव सच राइट. इफ देयर इज नो डेट, देन ईच पार्टनर कैन टेक एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेट इन द बिजनेस. हर बंदा बिजनेस में आकर अपना काम कर सकता है. 6, ऑर्डिनरी डिस्प्यूट्स विल बी सेटल्ड बाय मेजॉरिटी ऑफ पार्टनर, बट चेंजेस इन द नेचर ऑफ फर्म विल बी डिसाइडेड बाय द कंसेंट ऑफ ऑल द पार्टनर्स. इट मीन्स सपोज इफ देयर small disputes, छोटे मोटे कोई मतभेद है, then they will be decided by majority of partners. Majority of partners means voting rights. 50%, more than 50% partners will be ruled. But if you want to make change in the nature of business, आप business में ही किसी type का change करना चाहते हो, you want to change your product, then you cannot change till all the partners are agree. Without the consent of all the partner, you cannot change the nature of business. So all these the provisions which are applicable on the partnership firm if there is no partnership deed. Yeah, there are so many other provisions I know, but these first 4 rules are very important for solving practical problems. But I wrote here 6 rules because if there are any theoretical question in the examination, then you have to write 5 to 6 points. That's why if question is asked about the rules in the absence of partnership deed, if there is no deed, what rules are applied, then you have to write all these as it is, as I explained.